Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Proud to be Indian. In this video, I will provide you the top 10 best private engineering college in India. Okay, so I will give you the information, all the detail about the top 10 private engineering college in India. So this video gonna be very important for you. Okay, beside that means I will tell you that you can get all this college on the basis of JEE main rank or either class 12th board exam too. Okay, so you must watch the video till the end. Don't miss any part because this video is very important for you. Okay, so first of all guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, then don't forget to support and subscribe my channel because you will get these type of important videos in this channel. Okay, so make sure to hit the like button if you like the video. So let us move to our video, that is the main point, without wasting our time. So the first important engineering college, that is the Vellore Institute of Technology. So this Institute of Technology means this college is one of the outstanding institute in India. Okay, so this is in my rank 1. Okay, so this is the overview of this chapter, that is the white VIT Vellore. Okay, I am talking about the VIT Vellore, and this was established in 1984. It is located in Vellore, Tamil Nadu. That is a prominent college of the Tamil Nadu too, means overall southern India. This is a private college. Okay, and campus area you can assume that 372 acres. So you will enjoy a good campus life. Okay, and you will means fall in love with this campus. आपको campus इतना अच्छा लगा that yeah, I came to the right position. Okay, also have a overall ranking, NRF ranking is 9th. That is means good. Okay, placement average package is 8.2 LPA, again good, and the highest package is 75 LPA. So you can understand the importance of this institute. Okay, now let us move to the next section, that is the Thapar University. So this is our number 2nd. Okay, so this is going to be the very important university and most important private engineering college in India. So let us have a detail about this Thapar University. So Thapar University is actually, it was established in 1956. So you can understand that it is one of the prominent college and oldest college in India too. Okay, and it is located in Patiala, Punjab, and it is private. So I have already mentioned the video. For the admission criteria, means 70% seat through JEE main and 30% through board exam. Means I have already said that if you have a 12th board exam, means given 12th board examination and want to take the admission directly, then you can also take on the basis of board exam. Okay, campus area is again the large 250 acre and NRF ranking is 28 in terms of engineering. Okay, placement average package 10.3 LPA and highest package is 43 LPA. So this is going to be an important university and important engineering college in India too. Moving to the next section, that is the LNMIT Jaipur. Again this college is marvelous campus and you will completely means engage in this college. Okay, आपका एक campus इतना तगड़ा है कि that yeah, आप कहेंगे that I came into some royal place. Okay, so if you want to go for the means coding lecture in LMIT, so it is one of the best college in India too. Means this college also provide the coding lecture too. Okay, this is the overview of this LMIT. So it was established in 2002. So almost you can understand that about 20 year means old college this is. Okay, and location is Jaipur, and also this is approved by AICTE. That is all UGC granted. So there is no any confusion regarding the accreditation too. This is means you can get admission in this college through the JEE main. Okay, and also mean they provide the other alternative to, means you can get through the management quota, but I suggest you to go through the JEE main because that will good. Okay, you will get a good department on that. If you have means rank about 1,72 up to that, then you can may get CSC. CS little difficult, but other branch you can easily get. Okay, campus area is again 100 acre. So wow, what a good campus area. Okay, means comparatively to it is more than the means IIT Patna too. IIT Patna with इतना बड़ा campus नहीं है. So you can understand that it is important college. That's why I came into this third position. Ranking is NRF ranking 251 to 300 band. That is again fine, and average package is 11.1 LPA and highest package is 63 LPA. That is again good. Moving to our next very important college, that is the SRM Institute of Science and Technology. Okay, so this is one of the important institute in India too for the engineering. Okay, so if you planning to get into this, then you can believe 100% in this institute. Okay, so let us have some more detail about this SRM Institute of Science and Technology. So SRM University actually means part of that. Okay, so it is coming to SRM University, and it was actually established in 1985. Location is again in Tamil Nadu. So you can understand the importance of Tamil Nadu Engineering College. So again, marvelous college, and it is also private college, and 250 acre campus, that is outstanding. NRF ranking is 36, okay, and placement is 9 LPA. That means I think that there must be some more, but yeah, for average that's fine, okay. Highest package is 41 LPA, but recently one student also get about 60 LPA, that is means out of the campus. So this college provide you the sufficient detail about that, okay. So no need to worry about that. Moving to the next important, that is the Birla Institute of Technology or BIT Mesra Ranchi. This is again very important college. You must take into this, okay. क्योंकि भाई one of the means of my colleagues, one of my friend is also have taken admission to BIT Mesra, and he was saying that yeah, wonderful campus, good other activities. So you will enjoy a marvelous and prominent culture in this, okay. You beside that you will get others all type of facility, either hostel, campus, amphitheater, auditorium. So facility के मामले में तो भाई A1, A+, okay, and all have means all have accreditation too. You can understand that the campus overview. Wow, what a fine, okay. So let us talk a little bit about the BIT Mesra. So actually this was established in 1955 and one of the important colleges for the whole Jharkhand, okay, and it is actually situated in Ranchi. And through you can get through the JEE Main or direct means admission also taken place, but a little bit costly. Campus area is 780 acre, that is again marvelous and fine. Ranking is 46th of the total engineering college, and placement is 10.8 LPA highest, average, and 51.75 LPA, that is highest till now. And still now campus drive is also going on, but till now 51.75 LPA. So this is again important college. Moving to our next, तो भाई if you are liking the video then don't forget to hit the like button. तब तक like button दबा दे, okay, तब तक हम आगे move करते हैं. So moving to next, that is the RV College of Engineering. So this is the college that is good infrastructure, but okay, and one of the important in the Bangalore. So RVC actually it is in a Bangalore and prominent college in the again Bangalore, okay. You can get into this college through either COMTECH, KCET, and some seats are also filled through the JEE Main, okay. So you can apply for this. It was established in 1963. So again important college of Karnataka. NRF ranking is 77th, so means good. Average package is a little bit lower than the previous college, that is BIT Mesra, that have 11 point something, but this have 8.5 LPA, but highest package is almost 53.8. So that is again marvelous. So this is our next college. So moving to our next, that is very important, Manipal University, okay. So let me tell about the some extra detail about the Manipal University. So actually one of my other friend too, that you may laughing that bhaiya, how many friend of you have different. So I have many friends and they are very marvelous, okay, and they have a good capacity, okay, too. So he have also taken the Manipal University. Means for some reason he couldn't get the IIT NIT, so he planned to get into Manipal University. So this is again good and marvelous college, no doubt, and it is in Manipal, Karnataka, and you can get into this through the proper entrance examination, that is MET, okay. So Manipal entrance test has been given by special test, but you can also take through the JEE Main, no doubt, and campus acre is 188 acre, that is again fine. NRF ranking is 55th, okay, and average package is 7.5, highest package is 43 LPA. Now for your kind information, highest package is in the CSC department, okay, but other department is also fine, okay. They have a separate training cell that are completely focusing on the placement cell, okay. So you will enjoy you will get the full support regarding the placement, no doubt. Various company also beated such as Amazon, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, and blah blah, various company beated. So you will you can believe in this college 100%. Moving to next, that is the UPS, University of, this is the basically its slogan is University of Tomorrow, it is basically focused on your future. It will provide you the complete guidance and complete opportunity so that you can compare with the continue competitive environment. You know now these days are very competitive, so they are providing you the sufficient knowledge in that way so that you can compete with international, not only national but international student too. So this is again important college, engineering college, okay. Let us talk something little bit more about that is UPSC Dehradun. So actually this is a college situated in the Uttarakhand. That is again important and prominent states in India. Okay, so you can understand the location of Dehradun, that good means outstanding location in all over India. Okay, so this is again important college. It was established in 2003. And talking about the location, so I have already said, and this is again private college, and you can get into this college through the JEE Main, and some UPSC means entrance tests also happen, so you can get either this college also provides some scholarship program, so you will enjoy full scholarship, no worry about that. Campus area 44 acre, ranking NRF ranking is 97th overall ranking, that is again marvelous. Average package is 7 LPA and highest package is 50.09 LPA. Again most of the company visit in this college, that's no any doubt. Okay, moving to last, that is the campus tour. I am showing you the MSRIT. Okay, that is MS Ramaiah. So next is very important, that is MS Ramaiah. And talking about the more, so this college actually a prominent college in the Bangalore. Okay, you can take means in a short form this is even said by MSRIT. Okay, MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, and it was established in 1962. So one of the again prominent college, and you can get into this college through the COMDEC. So if you want to know about the COMDEC, then I have already made the detail about the COMDEC, that what is the COMDEC counseling process, that you can check out that video too. So I have uploaded that COMDEC video too. COMDEC is actually an exam through which you can get into the means inside the Bangalore or all over the Karnataka. Okay, so this is for that. And you can get into through KCET too. Campus area is 65 acre, little bit than a previous college, but yeah, campus is overall fine way. Ranking is 64th and placement is average package 7.5 LPA, highest package is 50 LPA. Company wise almost all company visited, no any doubt, because Bangalore is actually a tech hub of the India too. Okay, so you will enjoy good, or Silicon Valley of India. Next college that is very important, that is Pune Institute of Computer Technology. Okay, so this is a college which is basically focused on the research and too. So if you are interested in the research and planning to get into a good location, especially in Mumbai or Maharashtra, okay, so if you are a student recent, then you can certainly choose this college, that is fine. Talking a little bit more about the PICT, that is Pune. So it was established in 1983 and it is located in Pune. Campus area is 6 acres, so not much more, but yeah, that's fine. You can get into this through the JEE Main and MHT. Maharashtra means common entrance. So actually this is a straight entrances, just like the WBJEE for the West Bengal, COMDEC for the Karnataka. So this is also MHT CET. You can get into this. Okay. So campus area is not more big comparative to other, because this is located in a completely town. So you can assume that okay, NRF ranking is 200 to 250 band. This is the recent NRF ranking, and placement is average 8.8 LPA and highest package is 43 LPA. Okay, so this is again a good private engineering college. If you want to have a overview of any of these colleges, then you can comment me. I will try to make a full review on that college. Okay, actually I have already reviewed the LPU and other colleges too, but if you want among these, then you can comment me too. So finally guys, this is all the top private engineering college in India. Okay, you can get into through the JEE and other too. So I hope this video is very important and useful to you. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button to get these type of such important video. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for such important, very important video. Okay, and you can also comment me that if you are in doubt regarding any of these colleges, then I will try to answer those questions. Okay, so make sure to like the video so that the students will enjoy, means they will get the exact information. Because you know why means in these days there are less channel that are providing genuine information. Okay, but in my channel you will get 100% pure and authentic information. Okay, you can also later cross verify that. So फिलहाल इस वीडियो में इतना ही था. टिल देन बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद.